maybe someone who remind me I'm alive. What can you do when you get to thinking you lost it all, never did survive? You never know who you
Lugar sa
are
mga
till you hold
OFW na
someone
malayo sa
that you know will only you believe.
Shout out
She'll
guys
always be there, and I don't know what
sa
I'll
mainit na lugar.
become in a couple years.
Nandito lang
Just
kami sa
one,
gitnang
but
silangan,
somewhere down the
lumalaban sa
road.
sakit at ginhawa.
Sure would like to know if you still care. Something always seems to happen. Something drives us to do something we don't always
Mga hello,
mean.
ha?
Ewa, marahil. Yala. Ana sa isura. Hi guys. Hello Philippines. Hello Saudi. How are you Riyadh? Are you okay on the around the world? So very hot. Hada katirhar. Hada twice. And then my friend driver and my friend the Emma. I'm here. I'm going to reception for wedding. So let's go. Huh? Let's go. Let's go. Around the world. Dito naman kami sa may area kung saan malungkot at masaya, sa pagod man at hirap, nandito pa rin lumalaban. Diyos lang ang may alam.
هذا استراحة.
Hello world. Hello my friend.
Hi.
Hello Amy. That's myself.